So I'm going on a road trip and I wanted my cargo, my luggage to be covered up. So I went ahead and bought this. Now I do have this is a Honda Pilot, it's a 2025. In a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here and just show you what it looks like while it's installed. But before I do, I wanna just give you a close-up look at this. So we've got two sections of this. One is this front section. If you have a Honda Pilot, you'll know we have a couple of rows of seats in the back. So if I don't have, like right now, I don't have the back row put in. If I don't have that, then there's going to be a gap between where this is actually installed and the seat. So that's where these come into play. These just connect right around the headrest. We've got a clip right here, so it's real easy to do. And that way I can go ahead and make sure everything's covered up. Now this is retractable. You see, just pull that right on out. The material seems to be really nice and thick. And then also the ends has a spring, it's spring loaded in there, so that way it's going to stay in the slot really good. But overall, I'm happy with the way it looks. It definitely beats the OEM because it's a lot less expensive. And we got this easy to pull handle right here. So let me go ahead and put it in the back of my vehicle and just show you what it looks like when it's all installed. So on my Honda Pilot, I've got these little indentations right here. So I just pop that in there. You see, that's where the spring comes in loaded. It's real easy to install. And then with the retractable cover, it's going to go into these slots here that are made for it also. You slide it in there and it's good. Now all I need to do is take the covers on the front and then connect them up to the headrest. As you can see right now, there is a gap up there. It's probably about a foot or so between this cover itself and the chairs. So to go ahead and cover up this gap, I'm going to go ahead and put this around my headrest right here. And you can adjust the tautness of this if you want to, because this strap is adjustable. But I've got it all installed. Now all my luggage is going to be covered up. And it could be just luggage, groceries, I mean, any personal things. If you're going shopping, you want to make sure that everything is covered up so you don't have someone looking in your vehicle. But I'm real happy with it. I'm looking forward to using it. And I'm finally glad I went ahead and purchased one. Hope you found this review helpful.